We cooking today, and I was talking to Ray, and I was like, you know what, man? I want to make a beat with an instrument that a lot of producers don't use, I guess, in 2020, 2019, whatever. Yeah, we got to bring in some, either a saxophone or a muted trumpet. I just want something that just goes crazy. But yeah, that's the goal today. Now for the instruments that we rarely hear in beats nowadays, horns. I'm thinking either alto sax, let's try alto sax. Let's just see. And then run that through a corrosion instrument. Ooh, that might be kind of nasty though. The articulation on this, I think that'll be super dope to make this like let's try this. Like little parts in there. Wouldn't be a Curtis King beat without the choirs. Can I bring the church in for a second? They might have something to say. Omnisphere, you already know what I'm here for. Game time, champ. I'm already here for it. You know what I'm here for. All right, cool. Let's try the O's first. To the decap. I got some new drums for the next pack that we're dropping that I want to go ahead and demo in here. I like the pattern. I like where that's going. We just need something different. Hey, by the way, that last video, the swallow gate, that person behind that camera that you hear, sometimes he be breathing sometimes, you hear him, that's him. That's him. That's him. Why y'all be coming from my neck? All my Puerto Rican friends, don't come from my neck, okay? I needed a translator, and we was wrong. I was wrong. Maybe, I don't know. I'm gonna hit up Cap's son and try to get them to get to the bottom of this. Glad I added so much because now I can take away even more and I have more options throughout this beat. So I obviously did so much on the horns because I thought that was going to be the main direction of this beat, but these 808s are still in the show. So I have to bow out with the sounds and try to find little segments and pockets to let the instruments breathe so that it doesn't sound so awkward. So I'm going to solo the 808. Things get a little bit too busy, and I think right now we're going to start with the first sax, then the trumpet. Okay, I like that. So we're going to pan that to the left, and we're going to try now the horns. We may just have to move them in a different direction. We'll see. Yeah, that's too much already going on. Almost forgot about those, huh? Yeah, so now that we have that sounds so dope. Okay, now that we have that, let's actually get the choir, and this is where we can mess around with the volume modulate, or the volume automation. Oh my God. Y'all go home. Go home. Why are you watching this video? If you don't feel inspired to go cook up right now, you should go stop. Just stop the video. Don't stop. Subscribe first. Subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend about this beat. This beat is nuts. This beat is called FL Spirits because for some reason, some FL Spirits was going on and it was tuning out my 808s that were already in tune for every 808, not just my kit. It's weird, but somehow, some way, the spirits that are in the FL led me to this beat, and this beat is pretty damn fire. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. Share this. Please share this. Get on your social medias, like this. I want to make a prediction about how many likes I want to get on this, but I don't want to look stupid because I ain't did my math about my likes lately. So I ain't about to be like, I want 4,000 likes. And then it'd be like 4 because I asked for it. We're not going to do that. We don't even care about all that. Thank you. Leave a comment. Show some love if you like the beat. Share it with a friend. Once again, it's Curtis King of SlapExperts.com. Go get them free kits. Peace.